EmpMonitor is being promoted as an all-in-one employee monitoring and productivity tracking tool. But the real question is whether it actually makes managing teams easier or just adds surveillance without real value. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. EmpMonitor is a real cloud-based platform designed to track employee activity, attendance, and productivity, especially for remote and hybrid teams. However, here's the key point. It's powerful for monitoring, but comes with trade-offs in accuracy, privacy, and usability. There are some clear positives. First, strong feature set. EmpMonitor includes time tracking and attendance log screenshot and live screen monitoring app, and website usage tracking keystroke, logging, and security alerts. This makes it more feature-heavy than basic time tracking tools. Second, good value for money. Pricing can go as low as around $3 to $4 per user/month at scale, making it cheaper than many competitors. From real user experiences, screenshots and activity tracking are solid, gives me the visibility I need. That said, there are important downsides. First, accuracy issues. Some users report idle time miscalculations, which can make productivity reports unreliable. Second, average user experience. The interface and reporting tools are often described as functional, but not very modern or polished. So, does EmpMonitor help you monitor employees with ease? Yes, but with trade-offs. The bottom line is this. EmpMonitor is a legit, feature-rich monitoring tool that works well for tracking activity and productivity, especially for small to mid-sized teams on a budget. But it's not perfect. The experience can feel basic. Data isn't always fully accurate, and privacy concerns are a real factor. It's best suited for companies that want maximum monitoring at a low cost or managing remote teams are okay with more surveillance-heavy approach. If you prioritize employee trust, advanced analytics, or polished UX, it may not be the best fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.